Annalyn, okay Annalyn, later. Thank you. Mrs. Santo, number 500. Ano yun? Dean, Rons. Nakakatuwa talaga to si ano, nakakatuwa si, tawag dito si Dean GD. Mahangin yata. My sister Annalyn, number 200 at YouTube. How about me? Dean, how about me, Dean? Dean GD, how about me? You must definitely, ano ba yun? Mahangin ata sa inyo. Walang hangin dito. Na ano na ako, napawisa na ako, sir, ano, si Judge. Mrs. si Annalyn, she is ex-Miss Thailand. Wow! Wow, Miss Thailand. Ano, Mrs. Anton also is, ano, she's beautiful. Sister Dean. Your number is 66. Oh my gosh! Ang layo. It's very far. DGB. So guys, salamat ha. Mrs. Anton Bongkea, she is ex-Miss Canadian. So guys, mag-end na ako. Thank you talaga. Thank you talaga. Ulitin ko, maraming salamat. Dinjin going dikit. From Ruben Botas. Lucy Hyder, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dinjin, thank you Dinjin. Thank you Dinjin, Sir Ruben Botas. Lagi akong nagpapasalamat pero hindi pa nag-end. So ngayon mag-end na talaga ako. Ruben Botas, hi, my ex-boyfriend number 1,700. It's fun. My gosh, nakakatuwa talaga to si ano, si Dinjin. So guys, thank you ha. Miss Lucy, thank you talaga sa support for 3 hours. Si Ruben nabasa. Bahala na, mag-end na talaga ako. So, magpasalamat ako ulit. Kay Sir Ruben, thank you. Kay Sis Lucy. Kay Dinjin. Din Gidi, thank you. Mrs. Anton in Australia, thank you. Sis Ocealicious, gandang Sis May. Sir Lockshore, thank you Sir Lockshore. Annalyn Elideros, thank you. Ron's Life Journey, thank you. Ate Walma, thank you Ate Walma. My founder, Color Mix, thank you. Sir Juds, thank you Sir Juds. Sis Ocealicious, thank you. Kay Agnes Abugada, thank you. Sir David, thank you for the BGBG. Sorry you broke up, not romantic Ruben, you like ice dear. Happy day to Dinjin D. Bye-bye guys! Bye Dinjin D. Bye-bye! Sa nagbigay ng blessing, kay Gandang Seisme, Sir Greg Steven, and Sir Lockshore, thank you. Bye-bye guys!